great conflict was about to happen between the birds and the beasts. When the two armies gathered, the bat hesitated to choose which side to join. The birds flying by said, "Come with us," but the bat replied, "I am a beast." Later, some beasts passing below said, "Come with us," but the bat said, "I am a bird." Luckily, peace was made at the last moment, and no battle took place. The bat joined the birds to celebrate, but they turned against him, and he had to fly away. Then he went to the beasts, but they attacked him, and he had to run away again. The bat said, "If you are neither one thing nor the other, you will have no friends."